We can't leave that out. What's up, everybody? Yo! Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, karibu sana. Hey, karibu sana. Hey, karibu tulia sana. What? Yeah, so guys, today this vlog is different, but not so different. No, it is different from the other vlogs that I do, because I do lifestyle, I do story time, cooking. Yeah, if you're new here, karibu. Thank you so much for clicking to this video. Kindly stick to this video until the end. And this is for people who have been asking. I've been getting a few questions from my friends on how to start a YouTube channel, and you know, so I want to take you guys through the procedure, or I want to take you guys through the basic things, chap. Like I won't do a lot of explanation. I want this video to be short. I normally say that, and then my videos take like 30 minutes. That's because I normally speak like a princess. You know, I'm not in a rush. I'm like, so guys, and so. But today I want to be as fast as possible. So I hope you guys, you will be able to catch up with me. Yo, yeah, if you are a returning subscriber, you are always the best, and I love you from the bottom of my heart. I love you, nakupenda sana. I love you so much. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for supporting me, and thank you for believing in me. And kindly comment down below if you are one of them that is always watching my videos, or sharing my videos. Yeah, comment down below, like and share. So how to start a YouTube channel? Where can I start from? Where can I start from? I have 2 minutes already gone. Yeah, so guys, the way I began my channel, of course, it all starts with the interest to start the channel. But if you don't have that interest, it won't be easy for you. You're going to, you're going to push yourself on everything that you do. Yeah, so what I'm saying is, it starts with the interest, first of all, and secondly, you have to get a niche, something that you really want to do on your channel. I don't normally recommend you doing everything on that same channel. I mean, the channel is educative. At the same time, it's a comedy channel. At the same time, it's a music channel. At the same time, it's a lifestyle channel. If it's comedy, it should be comedy. And if it's education, it should be education. Then for the living alone channels, those ones they normally combine. You find someone is doing a lifestyle, they're doing a story time, they're doing a cooking, they're doing a traveling. Like for my channel, I do lifestyle, I do story time, cooking, and makeup, but not so much with makeup. It's more of lifestyle. Yeah, so you must have a niche. You know, when you have a niche, it helps YouTube AI to know the kind of people it should direct your videos to watch them. So if you don't have a camera and you have the interest, you can start with your phone. Like for me, I don't have a camera. I have my phone, and you should be having a good phone. If your video has a quality, if the videos of quality image, or quality how can I call it, you know, it also attracts people to watch them. Yeah, so you should be having a good camera or phone to start. You should be having a tripod. You can go online and research that on Jumia or Kinmall, how much they are. It depends on the quality, that is in prices. You can even get a tripod of 5K or even a 10K, but there is even 2K. So it depends on the quality. You need to know how to edit. if you are starting alone, and if you don't have anyone to help you out, and you don't have anyone who knows you, you don't like, you know, you're starting alone. If you have money, you can ask someone, you can pay someone to edit the videos for you. As for me, I shoot my videos, I edit my videos, I upload my videos, I put thumbnails on for myself on my videos. So everything is me. Yeah, so first of all, you need to learn how to edit. I think even before looking for what to do and what, you if you're not going to give someone else to edit for you, learn how to edit. There are so many editing apps. There is KenMaster. I use KenMaster. There is InShot. There are so many, Movavi. I'm talking about those for the phone, and then there are also those for the computer or laptop. You can as well as search on that as well. So know how to edit your videos. You know, this for me, I didn't go to school. I love taking photos, and I have always edited my photos. I love doing videos, small clips, and I have always done editing for myself. So it was not hard for me to learn how to edit my videos for my YouTube channel. So learn how to edit, be creative is all I can say. And what else? You must be knowing how to make thumbnails. They also contribute to views. That is because when you open your YouTube, there are so many videos. When you search about something, there are so many videos. But for some people, for someone to click on that specific video, or for you to click on that specific video, sometimes you're attracted by the image that you're seeing. You get? Yeah, so you should learn how to do the thumbnails. That also will help contribute to views. And be consistent. I remember I began I began a first channel. I think I talked about that, and I was uploading once in 2 months. Hey, I felt like the channel was not okay. Actually, it was not growing at all. I could post a video, it gets 10 views, and then after 2 days you don't get any views, you don't get any subscriber. But for this specific channel I'm currently focusing on, my channel is really growing every day and every week. Yeah, so I have been consistent. I always upload my videos thrice a week, and that is a Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Yeah, so how have I managed to be consistent? When I'm off, I have 2 off days. When I'm off, I do shoot like 3 or 4 videos, and in the course of the day, I will in the course of the other days when I come from work, I do the editing. So every time I'm off, I make sure I shoot at least 1 or 2 videos. Yeah, so you need to be consistent, and if you are consistent, you're going to see the result. For this channel, it is really growing. I get subscribers every day, I get views every day. I cannot complain. Because you have some questions that you really want to know, you can ask me in the comment section. How I have managed to keep up, and right now I'm going to 50 videos, and I haven't yet reached 1,000 subscribers, but I will be yet there. So remember that for YouTube to monetize your channel, you must have hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Now let me tell you what other YouTubers tell you, or people who have made it on YouTube tell you. Guys, getting going from 0 subscriber to 1,000 subscriber, it is really a hard and difficult journey. Yeah, for you to get people who are going to believe in you, for you to get an audience on YouTube between 0 to 1,000, it is the hardest journey on YouTube. But after you've made it from 1,000, it is easy. People like supporting people who have made it. I don't know why people easily support those that have made it, and do not support those that need support at that specific moment. Yeah, so but you have to be patient in life, and if you're starting up a channel, most especially, listen to me, most especially when you don't have anyone that knows you, when you don't have any other YouTuber that is doing the same content that can recommend your channel. We normally see other YouTubers recommending other people's channels. Like when you go on Nicholas Kiyoki's, Mongai Eve, presenter Ali's timeline on their YouTube channels, they are always saying, click on this video to support a soul. You see, it is easy maybe for you to raise 1,000 or to raise any number, a highest number on YouTube. If you know someone who is doing a YouTube, who has a channel, but does that mean that us who do not know anyone will not make it in life? Does that mean that us who do not know anyone won't grow? It's not the case. You can still grow. Just make sure that you do an amazing content. Try to make longer videos, longer and interesting. If you do longer and boring videos, people will still won't watch. Longer, I mean, at least it should be as from 8 to 10 minutes. 8 to 10 minutes. Yes, it should be longer than that, or even as long as it's between 8 to 10 minutes, because remember, you are starting up this channel, but you are looking at the watch time. You need to raise a 4,000 watch hours. You get it? Yeah, so try to make longer videos and interesting videos. If you will upload interesting content, people will always watch. People will always watch. And maybe the other thing that I haven't tried out, but it is recommended by other YouTubers, is doing collabs with other YouTubers. Now, I haven't gotten there. Like, I'm planning to ask for collabs with other YouTubers, but you know, sometimes you get that fear. Will they accept? I only have 200, or I only have 100 subscribers, but I'm a woman of faith. I know with God nothing is impossible. And today I think I should end this video right here. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. The other thing I have spoken about before in my previous channel, when we were talking about YouTube with my brother, is do not use anyone's music, do not use anyone's content, because if you are focusing on monetizing your YouTube channel, that will delay your monetization. So make sure that you go to YouTube Studio, you get the music there, and in case you want to use any music or any content, it's I can say music, it should be from a YouTube. And even a YouTube, I was told that it has for some music you have to do an attribute. So when you go to a YouTube Studio, try to look at the description of that specific song, if it requires attribution or it doesn't require attribution. Thank you, and thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you learned something out of it, especially for someone who wants to start up a YouTube channel. Was I too fast? What do I have to repeat again? let me know in the comment section below. And if you need any help on maybe what the niches, or if you need any help in terms of the editing apps and what you can use, if you need you know, any help, don't be hesitant. Just reach me out on my Instagram, and that is Alice_Emmy_. Yes, thank you guys, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do so right now and give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys, and bye.